Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys I'll be showing you guys everything new on the Style Showdown update. So we get this like trench coat. You do have to play, I think, 3 rounds to get it. We also got this fur coat, and then for jacket, what do you call this? And then this cute skirt as well as these heels. There's nothing new in VIP. There's some new toggles. There's a lot of toggles. So there's these socks where if you put like the feet off, it won't like show here. So like it won't go through the shoe. Why are there so many people doing this? Like here, as you can see, it won't go through the shoe in comparison to if I didn't have the feet toggle on, it's going to go through it. So thank you, Impress, for fixing that, because I always have issues with that. There is a new server, which is the master server. You'll need a 10,000 stars and above. I can go to the master server. I haven't really played on that server yet, but I will in the near future maybe. I'm just too scared, and I am intimidated by like pro players. So I've never actually even played in the pro servers. I just play in the regular server. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing really that much. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.